Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Nama saya Syam Razak. Saya dari Progressive SR as the Managing Director. Ini kereta projek saya, actually personal, tapi adalah satu tanda bagi buat saya punya workshop Progressive SR. Okay, kereta ini actually adalah SCIROCCO 2.0 tahun 2011. It's got a turbo engine. We made a lot of modification as a main subject for our Progressive SR benchmark. The modification done adalah PPV 430R ASPEC. Inilah one of the first in Southeast Asia. Kat Brunei is the only one that is genuine. We also managed to make a lot of supply kat even Thailand, Malaysia, even in Europe. We were actually chosen to be part of the team to display an article kat Performance Volkswagen magazine back in 2016. Okay. Actually inilah kedua kit yang saya modify kat buat kereta ni. Dulu saya pakai karakter warna putih, karakter body kit dengan exhaust system. But I felt that to hit a car show kat Brunei, there has to be a wow factor. Therefore, we chose a good alliance, ASPEC. From the beginning, we managed also say what satu delivery kat PPV 400, which is Golf R. Then following to that, we embark on kat SCIROCCO. So PPV 430R is actually a package full of carbon composite material. Then it's got a lot of cut downs. For example, we replace the hood. Kami tukar hood dia. Kami tukar dia punya front bumper, rear spoiler, as well as the rear diffuser, rear bumper. On top of that, additional, kami bertukar dengan dia punya fender. So we have to make a cut, a customized cut from the original body kit stock, to ensure that boleh fitted dengan dia punya badan. So as you can see, there's a lot of details that is we chose into this car. Actually, some of the kits is a mixture of SCIROCCO R kit, such as the side skirt. Actually, side skirt dari SCIROCCO R. So on top of the ASPEC side skirt, we have to make sure there's a rendering to go out for the white body kit. So this is separate white body kit. Okay. Details lagi dengan kereta ni, maybe I can also show the rims. Rims ni is actually ASPEC. Ini rims actually high track rims, weigh only 7.5 kilograms. It's a track wheel. The concept of this car is actually for track. Even the details of the bolt and nuts, ini titanium rose gold, ASPEC punya juga. I'm using spacer kat depan 6mm to go on top of the white body. Kat rear is actually 15mm. Okay, so this ASPEC is MF, it's a forged wheel, MF 57. We made a 6-spot brake kit on top, which is customized. It's actually a Yazaki Tomei big brake kit, but I customized it using my workshop logo. So itu pun nak patent, nak bayar patent just to get it done. Ini actually from Taiwan, tapi we can custom. They quite agak popular kat for Nissan GTR, even Porsche. They make a lot of this Tomei brand kan. Boleh buat apa-apa saja for any models. Tapi for the brake caliper, kamu boleh design dan apa saja color. Dengan design lah. Also for your information, for any genuine ASPEC, it has to come with a logo. This is through identification itu. It says here PPV 430R. Itu nama kitnya. Semua apart from the badan, pintu sama atap, semua dari stok. Yang lain semua carbon composite. Okay, heading to the back. Also details kat ini kalau genuine, memang dia come with carbon. So there's two carbon details. Satu ada dry carbon dan mixture dan wet carbon. Ini glossy carbon kan, ini dry. Itulah trademark aspect to give from a distance nampak tu apa difference-nya. So it makes color coordination and contrast. Okay, it comes with this diffuser. Looks like a GTR diffuser. Kat exhaust dia pun macam GTR. It's a carbon exhaust as well, titanium, with dengan mid pipe towards a down pipe of unitronic. So we have a mixture of the tune as well as the manufacture of the kits and exhaust. So ini memang titanium. So sekejap panas, ini sekejap cooling lah. Itu titanium. Spoiler semua ini carbon. Ini set baru, tak dapat pakai original punya stock punya spoiler, so they have to make a new one that completes with the new spoiler. Because agak ini kalau tutup agak barat sikit lah, tapi although carbon still adalah ia pasal dia big wing kan, so we have to ensure that everything itu. Tapi kat detailing we have to make sure that the details for the carbon keeps that lah, because we have to ensure the quality of the carbon. So far, remember there's two types of Scirocco Mark III, pre-face and also facelift. Tapi ada dedicationnya, pasal ada macam lampung itu fitting kat tukar lah bumper. So they have to make a dedicated kit lah for both pre-face and also facelift. As you can see also, sini ada details pasal kereta ni. So if you buy this kit, it comes with this. If tak genuine, you will not get this. This is a trademark. Only produced with the kit. You cannot get it separately. Okay. Actually, this is the first, apart from the demo car, kat China. Pasal dia, the real makers are from China. So actually, kit ini is the first export from China. That's the first in Southeast Asia. Because they dedicated this kit to Progressive SR initially. Yeah. Each details ada cut down, breakdown. Kami dapat share the details pun. You can find the details from our Instagram or Facebook, Progressive SR. We have all the details, apa makingnya, kenapa design ni. Actually the design, to be honest, it's a mixture of Audi and also a concept of JDM like GTR. And if you notice the side skirt, it's actually a Huracan design, Lamborghini Huracan. Ada some modification kat interior. I use red carpet from Oettinger because saya pun distributor for Oettinger brand. It's a German brand. Few modification maybe I can bring you inside. This is we have a digital gauge. To mark all the setting of the parameters of the engine to connect dengan ECU OBD2 so this is for digital meter. I also have a turbo meter, boost meter. I use New South Wales. A lot of mixture of German, Chinese, international brand lah for the performance lah. Saya pun install engine mount. Kalau saya start engine, kalau nak rev, the engine will stick on, tak bergerak. Pasal saya pakai stage 1 plus 3-in-1 what do you call it, engine mounting kit. It's agak special. Saya kalau start engine boleh the engine will not tak akan gagar, dia stick saja. Also the knob I change here. Ini agak special, so it looks. This is the limited edition Black Forest gear knob. So it's got a red coin. So ini to celebrate dorang punya anniversary. So the way originally you have to from the back to push it back. Now but you lift it up. It's for safety reasons juga. you lift it and then cut lah.
Okay.
So this is for safety reason. Interior panel, I mix a bit of carbon because the carbon kit as well. Other than that, Android player. Ini ada GPS as well, DVD player. It's just for entertainment lah. I also replace a custom. Actually, this seat, I stick to the original seat, but because the seat is an old car, so I have to replace the fabric. In terms of that, I made a customized name of the kit, PPV 430R. Yeah. Shifters, biasa extension shifters for the semi-autos. Change also the racing pedal. This is the SCIROCCO R racing pedal.
Race mode. Okey, sekarang race mode. Okey, kita tekan, kita tengok. Ini normal mode. Okey, sekarang kita dengan normal mode.
So all the details dari sini actually done by our detailers, Reflection by Jace. Itu official detailer Progressive SR. So the turbo I only upgrade to KO3S. Itu it's just a better version of the KO3. Saya tak tukar KO4. But I'm using on the stage 2 plus file, so it performs well. Alhamdulillah, I managed to hit around 360 horsepower. Original is around 220. So itu saya punya tuner half race. Actually my brother, dia yang tuning ni.
So it's tuned by PSR tuning.
Yeah, tuner. Actually my own brother lah. Twin tech I chose again, carbon twin tech. Ini adalah twin tech dari Forge Motorsport. I purposely wrap with gold to immerse heat. That was the thing. I used to use itu Unitronic, but I changed to Forge because they're carbon. So I heard the power delivery pun increase. That's why I chose this. Dari feedback dari forum lah juga. Let out our own research lah. Okay. Also I use this one technology from aerospace, NASA. This is Black Forest oil catch tank. So apa-apa saja dirt dari engine dia akan taruh dalam satu jug lah. So it's a catch tank. So you have to check from time to time. Itu minyak kotor. Kamu akan buang sendiri. Ada if you can look lah nanti. I actually added the engine mount kit from Black Forest juga. So a lot of this is from US. Actually this for both this oil catch tank and also the mounting, the engine concept dan Asia sama US tak sama. So I have to modify this to ensure dapat our own custom lah. Custom dari our own mechanic. So we made our own custom engine. I made a plan actually ini cover warna badan midnight purple. It's actually from DuPont, American brand, purplein, chromo fusion. Got quite expensive the paint. It's got a mixture of green. That's why purplein kan, purple sama green. Tapi it's a 4D color. Actually the color sticks the same. It's your eyes yang kacau dengan itu warna. So from different angle, different warna lah. So itu special paint. 1 liter cost me around $450 with Brunei. So I spent around 5.5 liter just to get this body done. I have a mixture of gloss black as well with the color. But some carbon bits dari aspect kit saya tak kacau. Itu tanda itu carbon kit kan. So I have a mixture of all part itulah. I use Forge twin intercooler sama macam brand yang dan twin tech. So itu untuk pernafasan bagus lah for my engine. That's why it's a high performance engine. So we upgrade to just a nicely done. Yeah, daily driven can be done. Also for racing can be done. The concept was actually track race, but street legal supposedly. So it's a best of both worlds lah. Ini kalau upgrade, I nak upgrade maybe interior sound system or the racing seats. maybe a dedicated from ASPEC. Maybe they will make their own seats. So I need to stick to good brands to dedicate this the true identity of the car. Yeah.
Okay.
Other than that, maybe just a few bits of the engine. Turbo is not in my mind because if I intend to work on the engine, I'll definitely upgrade the turbo. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. As usual, we have a lot of followers, both local and also international. I can help to source you guys a good plan or deal. You can just follow my Instagram or Facebook, Progressive SR. We can leave a link with you guys to have a look. You can just also contact us into our WhatsApp or hotline. Definitely we can, inshallah, email pun dapat lah juga. Our history record quite big because we also entertain our international client, even from US, Europe, UK, Middle East pun dah saya capai. So we can easily conclude the deal lah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.